What up, what up, what up? What da 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 da. What up, what up, what up? What da 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 da. What da 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 da. What up, what up? Welcome to the second episode of r/tech, where we check out the Reddit, the front page, the Reddit, the front page. I've already said that. Let's check out the text section on the Reddit page of the front page of the internet. Let's go! First thing I want to talk about is something pretty extravaganza. It's China launching a high-tech bird drones to watch over its citizens. So you probably know that China has a lot of citizens. Well, they're now launching a drone which looks like a bird to look over the citizens. Yeah, that's really happening. So the birds actually fly like birds with the wings, but they have an HD camera and GPS coordinates and all that stuff. So it's not really a bird, it's more like a drone spying on people. The drones are called doves or DOVs, I don't know. But I don't know, would you like this spying around? I don't know. Oh look, it's a beautiful bird. Oh no, that's a drone, that's a bird. Oh no, that's also a drone. Oh, are there any birds left? I don't know. And Moodog72 said it's an actual Big Brother type of thing, and that's actually pretty true. Big Brother is watching us. And it's China. It's a bird. Again another day. Again another leak. The Samsung Galaxy S10 leak exposes Samsung's radical upgrade. I have to click so many links and agreements before I can even watch the article. So the biggest improvement will be the 3D face scanning module. And because the 3D face scanning module will be there, the iris scanner will be removed. Yeah, it's going to be a big competitor to the Face ID from Apple or from the iPhone 10, that fact. So this is what the S10 would look like with a big bezel on the top and a bit of a chin on the bottom probably. It's probably not going to be exactly the same like on this picture, but it's going to be pretty close. Oh, did I also mention that the Samsung will have an in-display fingerprint scanner? Yeah, it's finally happening. It took a very long time. Vivo did it with the Vivo Nex, I think it was, and looks like it's not that difficult to make actually. So Samsung is now also hopping on the train, and iPhone will probably be next. If not, well then they're probably just hipsters that don't want to get the in-display fingerprint scanner. Yeah, you know them. And then again something cool. World's smallest computer, smaller than a grain of rice made. This device, as you can see it over here, only measures 0.3 millimeter. And that's like, this is rice, a piece of rice, a grain of rice. Yeah, really, this is a grain of rice, and this is the computer. So it's a real computer which works, but of course it's not your regular computer like a MacBook or a Windows. It's mainly used for pressure sensing inside the eye, for glaucoma diagnosis, so for a disease probably, cancer studies, which can be very important, or reservoir monitoring, biochemical process monitor, surveillance, audio and visual, tiny snails studies. So it's more like studying material instead of a real computer where you would browse on. Of course, it probably doesn't have a lot of RAM or an HDD or an SSD drive if it's only that big. But it's still pretty cool that they could make that in such a small form factor. So as they're saying also on Reddit, can probably still play Doom on it. I'm guessing it can't. But it uses the Cortex M0 Plus processor, a 32-bit CPU based on ARM V6M architecture. Yeah, a lot of very difficult words I don't understand. So it's very tiny PC. And then the last topic I want to talk about, which can be pretty important in some occasions, is that iOS 12 will automatically share your iPhone's location with 911 centers. So only the 911 center will have access to the location during the call itself. Communities rely on 911 centers in an emergency, and we believe they should have the best available technology at their disposal, said Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. So this actually means that when you're calling 911 in America, for example, they should get the location of your phone automatically in order to get help to you as fast as possible on the right location, because it's very difficult to get it perfectly spot on. And with the new iOS update, with the iOS 12 update, they will better this in order to get the emergency services to your location as fast as possible. So there's one person saying that he worked at 911 10 years ago and cell phones were doing this. Sure, the flip phones were just using triangulations, but the newer phones were better. Oh, it's my birthday tomorrow, by the way. Yeah, now you know that. And what was a pain was finding an owner. And what was a pain was finding an owner of a phone and their home address. So this actually means that it should be way more difficult to get help to you when it's necessary. Right, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, a thumb below, and yeah, see ya.